Hi, hello everyone. I am Lakshman from Metallurgy Department, third year. Today's topic is electrolysis of fused salt from the subject of non-ferrous extraction metals. Electrolysis: the passage of a direct electric current through an ionic substance that is either molten or dissolved in a suitable solvent, resulting chemical reaction at electrodes and separation of metals. This is electrolysis. Requirements of electrolysis. Next, the electrolyte. An electrolyte, it is a substance containing free ions which are the currents of electric current in the electrolyte. A direct current, DC supply, it provides the electrical energy necessary to create or discharge the ions in the electrolyte. Electric current is carried by electrons in the external circuit. Next, two electrodes. Electrode is an electrical conductor which provides physical interface between the electrical circuit providing the energy and the electrolyte. Next, requirements of electrolysis. This is the picture of electrolysis process. There is beaker inside the anode and cathode. There is a filled in electrolyte. This is power supply. This is electron. The following picture shows the electrolyte, battery, that is power supply, and electrodes, that is anode and cathode, required for electrolysis. Next, electrolysis: if you melt or dissolve an ionic compound such as NaCl or CuCl2, there is the ionic compound, then the ions become free to move around and carry electrical current. Molecules of solid copper chloride CuCl2S. Molecule of solid copper chloride after being dissolved, that is chloride ion minus, that is copper ion plus. Electrolysis is used to separate metal from its compound. Minus is chloride ion, plus copper is plus copper ion. Next, purifying copper. Purifying copper is the beaker that is inside the impure copper, and pure copper. There is solution of copper ions. At the anode, Cu gives Cu2++, 2 electron. At the cathode, Cu2++, 2 electron gives Cu. Next, electrolysis equation. We need to able to write of equation to show that happens during electrolysis. Example for copper chloride. At the negative electrode, the positive ions gain electrons to become natural copper atoms. The off equation is Cu2++, 2 electron gives Cu. At the positive electrode, the negative ions lost electrons to become natural chlorine molecules. The off equation is 2Cl minus 2E electron gives Cl2. Next, oxidation and reduction in electrolysis. At the positive electrode, the negative ions lost electrodes. This is called oxidation. The off equation is 2Cl minus 2 electron gives Cl2. At the negative electrode, the positive ions gain electrons. This is called reduction. The off equation is Cu2++, 2 electron gives Cu. Next, electrolysis of Brin solution. This is the Brin solution. Positive electrode this is, and negative electrode this is. This is the way of sodium chloride, that is Brin NaCl, sodium chloride NaCl, that is sodium hydroxide NaOH. This is used for make the soap, paper, and ceramics. Chlorine gas Cl2 used to kill bacteria and to make acids, bleach, and plastics. Hydrogen gas H2 used to manufacture ammonia and margarine. There is sodium chloride salt is made of an alkaline metal and halogen. When it's dissolved, we call the solution brine, and we can electrolyze it to produce 3 things. Next, thank you all. Thank you.